Hi guys, this is Stu from U2 Lifestyle. So last night we had a major snowstorm. We're talking Houston, Texas, unheard of. So let's look to see what my garden has done. We did the best that we could covering it, but there was so much stuff to cover. So here, let's take a look. Okay, here we've got tomatoes. All the covering has blown away. So these tomato plants were actually from last year, and they were producing tomatoes throughout the whole season. Okay, I've got kale. These are heirloom kale that has become frozen. Hopefully, oh God, those are still frozen. Okay, everything has just gotten frozen. This is my papaya tree. Japanese magnolia. My collard green looks frozen, but it still looks pretty. Okay. And of course, under there I have strawberries. I think those will be okay. Everything that I've covered with the bin will be okay. All right. So it's been about a month since the Texas snowstorm, our big freeze, and I want to show you exactly what has made it back. We lost a lot of stuff. Probably 90% of my garden was lost. But amazingly enough, things have survived. So let me show you what's going on. So the cilantro seem to have loved the winter storm, so they're coming back like crazy. I've got lots of lettuce coming back. What I've done is that I've gone ahead and moved the lettuce to the crevices of my pathways and used the help of the stone to help protect the root system, and it's doing just fine. Over here, I've got some snow pea leaves. I've also started planting some cucumber seeds, and it's actually working right through there. I've got my, let's come this way. I've got my kale. This is a beautiful kale that actually made it through the winter storm. You can see right here, more snow pea leaves growing and more beans growing. Over here, this did beautifully. This is my curly leaf kale, and my strawberries did wonderful. And let me tell you what I did to keep this one going so well is we ran out of blankets and sheets to cover all the garden during the storm. And so what we did is we took those buckets, the buckets that you put Christmas decorations in, emptied it out, and put it right on top of this. Just covered it with this, and it was just enough to protect it. And it's doing wonderfully, and look at the flowers. We're gonna have some nice strawberries really soon. Look at that. So much strawberries. I did start some seedlings, so this is some cucumber seeds. This was all left in the garage during the winter storm. But even the garage was so cold that I wasn't even sure this was gonna make it, but I guess it did. I've got radishes coming out. The radish made it. Okay, so this is my beautiful papaya tree. I've grown this from a seed probably 3-4 years ago. It has done so much production of fruit and fed my family with wonderful sweet papayas. And I'm not sure if this made it. So today is going to be a really, oh my gosh. Okay, it's just going to be a really sad day because I'm just going to try to, I couldn't wait any longer. It's been about a month since the freeze. So we are going to cut it. and see if we can just help it, give it some energy to support whatever might still be alive and help it grow again. But I'm not really certain, because if you look at it, it's really hollow now. You see? Can you see the movement? And then when you knock on it, you can feel and hear the hollowness of it, except for down here, which is very solid feeling. So there is a possibility it might. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay. This is a hollow spot, so let's see what this is. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh my Lord. That's heavy. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to cut further than that. Look at that. That's all mush. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go a little bit lower. Okay, I'm gonna try to saw this a little lower to see if we can get past the rot on the tree. Oh Lord. Okay. Still rotten. But at least, yeah.
A little bit.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. There goes my little lettuce plant. Okay, come on, lettuce. Okay, let's see. Still a little bit more. Yes. Okay, so looks like there's still a little bit of rotting going on right here, but we're gonna stop here and just see what it does. See how it goes from there. Okay, let's go check the other garden and see what we've got going on the other garden. So over here is another garden of mine. This is my raised bed garden. And, good Lord, cameraman almost fell. Okay. Okay, so the radishes didn't do too well. I think it was the gut went into shock during the cold snap. But the lettuce are doing fantastic. So I had thrown the seeds down maybe 2 weeks before the freeze and covered it with a tarp during the freeze, and it seemed like it made it okay. Okay, these are taro roots. They're doing good, growing. My this is my turmeric and ginger patch. Of course, it's filled with weeds right now, but I think it'll be fine. I'm optimistic about that. And this is my sweet potato, Japanese potato patch in here. And of course it's filled with weeds right now too, but I'm optimistic about that too. So I think I'll be fine. Okay, this is Tu signing off from U2 Lifestyle. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and I will definitely continue making videos to share with you next time. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.